All right, eighth graders, how are you? My name's Miss Stursky, and today we're going to be going over a What's in Your Locker project. So this is going to be our first assignment. It's something fun and different for us to do. So as you can see, this is my locker. So if I were to look at your school locker on a typical school day, I want to know what makes you you and what I can find in your locker. So here's my virtual locker. If I click on this mirror, you're going to find out a little bit about me. So, like I said, my name is Miss Swiderski. You can call me Miss S, totally fine. My schooling. So, I actually am a Geneva graduate. I was in eighth grade in this classroom at one point as well. So, I'm a Geneva graduate. I went to college. I went to Illinois State University, which is about 2 years or 2 hours away. And after Illinois State, I taught sixth grade for 4 years in Bloomington. So, this is my third year of teaching in Geneva. So for those of you that are doing the math, this is my seventh year of teaching. I currently live in Geneva, and a fun fact about me, I have a dog named Ellie. She's a golden doodle. You'll see some pictures of her later. So that's a little bit about me. All right, if you click on my dog. Here's pictures of my dog because who doesn't love cute dog pictures? This is Ellie. She's 3 years old. She's super spoiled, super funny. You'll hear a lot about her. So there's Ellie. Some more things about me. If you click down here at this picture, this is a picture of my family. Here I am, my mom, my dad. Down here, you're going to see my brother, John. He's 27, and his wife, Carrie. She's 27 as well. Up here, you're going to see my new niece. Her name's Blair. She's super cute. She's 4 months old. My family got to go meet her. She's super, super cute. I think she looks like me, but could just be me. But that's my family. All right, you're going to also click on this. Couple of my favorites, coffee, 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 and coffee. Absolutely love coffee. My favorite candy, Reese's. Favorite music is anything and everything that I can understand. I like anything on the radio. I like country, I like pop, I like hip hop. I like some raps. I like pop. Anything I can understand, I love. My favorite time of year is summer and fall, so this time of year. My favorite color is pink. My favorite vacation spot is anywhere sunny and warm. Down below, I don't know if you can see that, but it says my favorite. Oh man, where did it go? Oh, maybe. Random favorites. I like candles and ice cream. Other things. If I click, ooh, sorry. If I click this weight. It's going to go to my hobbies. So I like to work out, picture of weights. I like hanging out with my friends and my family. I like being on my phone. Yes, I enjoy being on social media, hanging out, catching up with friends. I like driving around, especially sunsets. Go drive in random places. I like summer and tanning, laying out by the pool, all that fun stuff. I like to hang out with my dog, and I like watching sports. I'm a Cubs fan, a Bears fan, Bulls fan, Blackhawks, pretty much any Chicago team I'm a big fan of. So that's that. If you click ooh, here, you will hear the Illinois State fight song. I am a I went to college, so you can click that and listen to um, my college fight song. And a couple of my favorite quotes are on this. Michelle Obama, when they go low, we go high. I feel like that really applies to you guys in middle school because people are doing all different things and learning about themselves, but you always want to take the high road. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you imagined. And do it braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. That's from Winning the Pooh. So those are a few of my favorites in my locker. So here's what you're going to do next. You're going to create your own locker. So here's how you do that. All right. You're going to create a Google slide presentation. So I recommend logging in with your Google account. Now in class, we're going to be using Microsoft Teams a lot, but by going into Google, you can share it with me with your school ID since we aren't in classes yet for Microsoft. So what you're going to do is in the Google slide presentation, you're going to copy the background on the next slide for your locker. You're going to create your locker. So what I did is I linked each image, okay, to a slide, but you can make a PowerPoint if you wish. So if it's easier for you to just make a PowerPoint, go ahead and do that. Okay, make it fun and help us get to know you. I would add some sentences to it since I'm not asking you to create a video. Just create some sentences to go along with the picture so I know what it is to you or what you put up there. And then you're going to change the file name to your last name. So for me, it would be Swiderski underscore my first name and then locker. And then you're going to share it with me. So what I'm going to have you do is share it to my Google account. So it's right here down at the bottom, that jswiderski@gmail.com. That will help you out tremendously. So hear me out. Over here, there's a little picture. You're going to want to look. I'm sure many of you know how to do this, but you're going to look right here for that thing I highlighted in yellow, the chains. So what I did, here's the locker. You can go ahead and copy it, paste it, make it creative, however you want to do your locker. I'm fine with that. Okay. So let me kind of walk you through what I did in order to create my locker. What I did, you're going to see this Google form or Google slide, sorry. So what I did is I figured out what I wanted. I wanted a picture of myself, my family, the fight song, my hobbies. You guys can do whatever you want. I want to see a picture of you. I want to know about your family and friends. I want to know what you like to do for fun, all of that. Okay, so what I did is I put the pictures that I wanted in my locker here. Then what I did is I created a bunch of slides, right? So you press that plus sign. And I knew that I wanted the mirror to go to the about me. So what I did was I typed in about me and anything about me on this slide. And what I did is I came up here and I copied this link, right? Because this slide right here is about me. Now, Ms. Swiderski, do I have to link all this up? No, but it will be helpful if you want to do that. If not, just make a PowerPoint presentation or a Google slide presentation and share it with me. Totally fine. So what I did is I took this slide, I copied it, and I went back to my locker to the picture I wanted, and I left clicked, no I didn't, sorry. I clicked the image and I pressed that button right here, the insert link. So then what I did was, it should come here to this page here. When I press that link button, right, I copied and pasted my link and pressed applied. And then it said, hey, you're going to go to slide 2 if you click on this picture. Then I went back to the same exact locker and I did the same for all the other pictures. So I would create a new slide, okay, and I would link it to each. So slide 8 is hobbies. Slide 10 was a picture of my dogs. Slide 4 was a picture of my family. Now you might see over here on the left-hand side, okay, I see the about me, I see the family, I see that, but why do you have lockers in between? When I was done with this first locker and I linked all my slides to it, I just copied and pasted those. So if nobody clicked on the images, it would automatically go back to my locker as we slid through. So it's really up to you how you want to do this. I do want to get to know about you though. So I want to know about you. I want to know about your family. I want to know about your favorites. Maybe you can do pet peeves, maybe some of your hobbies. Make it creative and fun. And when you're done with it, you're going to share it with me. So again, here's the email address I want you to share it to. All right. And I also would like for you to label it your last name underscore your first name and locker. That's going to help me tremendously when going through and grading these. Okay. So just a fun project. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or use your classmates to help you out. Have a great day, and I'm getting excited to get to know you.